Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to shut off the water to the shower using the shower's manifold. Alright, so this is where the manifold is located. Let's go ahead and remove the knob. Alright, to remove the screw that's in there, which in this case, it's an Allen. So go ahead and remove the screw and you can just pull it back. After you put it back, go ahead and remove both screws to the cover here. After you remove the screws on both sides, go ahead and remove the cover. You might have to pry it open because it should be sealed with caulk. So go ahead and remove it. And this is the manifold. This one will close your hot water and the right one will close your cold water. So use a flathead screwdriver and turn clockwise to close and counterclockwise to open. And that's it. You just turned off the water using your shower's manifold.